everyone! So today, I am going to be asking people near and dear to my heart. How do you take care of your heart? Let's go! Shai! How do you take care of your heart?
By spending time with my friends and of course, my boyfriend.
Ay, wow! Umalis ka na! Umalis ka na! Ayoko na!
Hi, Cassie. So your question is, how do I take care of my heart? There are actually lots of ways to do it, but first, I try to stay active. I go to the gym at least 4 to 5 times a week. And also, I eat healthy foods such as vegetable and fruits. Of course, by choosing the right person to give your heart to. Uy! Ano daw? Hindi but it really matters din to. Kasi if you're in a stressful relationship, hindi rin siya healthy para sa heart natin, diba? So, tama. Dapat kasama yun. That also counts, I think.
Tatay.
What?
I have a question for you.
No need. Dahil alam ko mangungutang ka lang.
No! I just want to ask, how do you take care of your heart?
What do you mean?
Your heart. How do you take care of it?
This, yung literal na heart.
Yes, your heart.
Hindi relationship na...
No!
Okay. Well, syempre, you know me, nag-exercise ako. So, workout is good.
Yes.
And alam mo naman, maaga rin ako matulog. So, yung pagtulog, importante din yan. Pero for me, ang pinaka-importante is what you eat. At kung saan mo siya niluluto. At ako, ito ang aking sikreto.
Ito na.
Tada!
Yeah!
Jolly Heartmate Canola Oil.
Yes, sir!
It's good for my heart, you know?
Wow! High five, high five! Yeah!